Hey folks, it's Russ Vi. Today is Thursday, January 9th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I thought I'd shoot a quick video and talk to you about how you can make money by working from home. Okay? You can start right now and start making real money from home. And that doesn't mean that you're going to be able to quit your 9-to-5 job right away or anything like that, but you can take actionable steps to where you can eventually get to that position, right? Because a lot of people are tired of working their 9-to-5 jobs, and they write and tell me that they're looking for ways to supplement or replace their income, and yet they never do it. I never see any of these people take action. All right? So I thought I would just do a quick video and talk to you about this briefly, because in my opinion, there's nothing better than being your own boss. All right? And when you have time freedom, which you can eventually get to after starting your own work from home business, then you have the ability to do what you want, when you want, as long as you want, and you never have to worry about cash flow. All right, and that's what I love about this. Now, there's a few things that you have to understand, and it's not a walk in the park. It's just like anything else. It's just like a 9-to-5 job sometimes. You're going to have good days and bad days. You have to understand that you're not going to get rich overnight. All right, there's no such thing unless you hit the lottery. So it does take consistency, it takes patience, and you have to be resilient. You have to learn to get through different challenges that come up when you have your own business. But overall, in the grand scheme of things, it's far better, in my opinion, than having a job, which is an acronym for just over broke. All right, and I've had plenty of jobs in my life. Like I said, I worked for other people longer than I have worked for myself. Okay, I've had many jobs, and I'm not bashing on jobs. There's nothing wrong. Some people like the jobs. They need the structure, and they like having that, the same type of routine and everything like that, and that's fine. Entrepreneurship isn't for everybody, but if you're willing to put in the work and you want to you want to substitute or supplement your income or even replace it so that you can quit your 9-to-5 job, then working from home, there's no better thing than, in my opinion, than working from home. You have complete flexibility. You don't have to commute. You have the potential to earn higher income than you do now at your job. In fact, I've never seen, in affiliate network marketing, you can basically write your own paychecks. It's totally dependent on your work ethic, but you can write your own paychecks. I have friends in this industry that make $40,000, $50,000 a week. I have a friend that makes over $200,000 in a month. You can write your own paycheck. And then there's some bigger marketers who make millions and millions of dollars a year. So it's just totally dependent on your work ethic and what you're willing to put in, based on what you want to get out of it. So there's some top money-making opportunities that you can get involved with online, okay? It doesn't have to be anything that I do. I like the network marketing space, the affiliate marketing space, the direct mail space. That's passive income. And I love passive income because you can set up, I have these systems in place that do all the selling, telling for me, all right? All I have to do is get traffic to my pages. And I do that by making videos, and I do that with social media content, and I do that through direct mail. All right, and once I do that, the system takes over and does all the selling and telling for me. It's super easy. I make sales while I'm sleeping. All right, but you can get into other things like freelancing. If you're a writer or a designer or a programmer, you can do freelance work. You can do online businesses like e-commerce or drop shipping. You can do remote jobs. There's customer support, virtual assistants. There's all kinds of ways to make money online nowadays. All right, I prefer the passive income, the affiliate marketing, and the direct mail opportunities, because it's just super simple. It's the easiest out of all of them. You literally can set your own schedule. You can work when you want to, and you have the most time freedom. If you're freelancing, then you'll have deadlines. You'll have obligations that you have to meet. If you're doing a customer support or virtual assistant opportunity, then you're going to have the same type of thing. So I like the passive income because I can set up these systems, and then all I have to worry about is driving traffic, which I spend less than 2 hours a day on my business. In fact, probably a lot less than that now. You might not when you first start, but that's okay, because when you join me in an opportunity, you're going to get my resource page. You're going to get all the things. I'm going to show you exactly what I do step by step to generate an income from home. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to have, set up a small space in your house. You probably already have a laptop or a desktop somewhere in your house. You just want to set up a small dedicated workspace. You want to make sure that you manage your time and stay disciplined. And you want to do research. You want to find what you really enjoy doing, what you're passionate about, and then do that, okay? You can start a YouTube channel and say you're into playing chess, all right? You can go and find an affiliate program that has to do with chess. You can start a YouTube channel, and you can start making videos about chess. And underneath in the video description, you put your link to your affiliate program that's related to chess. Now, that's just an example. There's tens of thousands of affiliate programs. Walmart has an affiliate program. Amazon has an affiliate program. You can talk about certain products and get Amazon, become an Amazon associate and put those affiliate links below in your videos. You can join one of my opportunities, all right? If you're looking for easy ways to make money online, go to joinruss.com, all right? I have several different opportunities that I partake in. They're super easy to do. If you can mail out postcards, you can make these opportunities work. All right, I do the direct mail opportunities. I love them. They work. It's fun to do. And then I have a couple other programs there that I do as well. But you can go to joinruss.com, get more information about these, and you can be up and started in a half hour. So you just have to figure out what it is you want to do. And that's another thing you can do. You can start one of my opportunities here, create the YouTube channel, start making videos. It doesn't matter what it's about, whatever you're passionate about. And then down below in the video description, you can put, you want to supplement or replace your income, ? And then put a link to whatever opportunity it is that you're part of. That is one way to start doing this, okay? So you want to identify what skills you have. You want to research the different opportunities and something that you're passionate about. If you're not passionate about it, don't do it, because people are going to tell. People will notice that this guy's just throwing up. He's just trying to sell programs. I'm passionate about what I do. That's why I'm on here every day making these videos. All right, I'm truly passionate about this. So you just want to get out of your comfort zone, because all success lives outside the comfort zone. You want to start taking small, actionable steps. You can start today. Start researching something, start finding, think about what you're really passionate about, find a product or a program that you want to promote, and start making videos, okay? Start taking action. You can do this anytime. You can do this on your ride to work, on your ride back to work. I'm at the post office right now, and I just thought I'd do a video. All right, you can make videos anytime. So that's it for this video. I hope it helps you out. You can work from home and start making money. You can do it this year, all right? And you can actually make more money than you do at your current job if you take the right steps and put in the right amount of work and just stay consistent, all right? And of course, I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with any of the opportunities that I partake in. It's totally dependent on your work ethic, but I can promise you that if you show up every day, treat it like a real business, you will get real results, okay? So I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. I look forward to seeing you in my next one. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Have a great day.